Hey guys, it's Xiao Chen and welcome to my channel where I talk about all things watches. Today we're talking about the best Casio watches for first-time buyers. If you're in the market for a new watch and want to keep it affordable, Casio has got you covered with some amazing options that won't break the bank. One, determine your budget. The first step when buying a Casio watch is to determine your budget. With a range of options from under $10 to over $100, you'll want to decide how much you're willing to spend. This will help you narrow down your options and find a watch that fits both your style and budget. 2. Consider the features you need. Casio watches come with a variety of features, so think about what you need in a watch. 2. Do you need a watch that's water resistant? Or one with a stopwatch or alarm function? Make a list of the features you need and use that to guide your search. 3. Choose the right style. Casio watches come in a variety of styles, from sporty to classic, so decide what kind of look you're going for. If you're going for a sporty look, consider a G-Shock or Baby G watch. If you're looking for a more classic style, go for a metal or leather band watch. 4. Decide between digital and analog. Casio offers both digital and analog watches, so decide which type you prefer. Digital watches are perfect for those who need features like a stopwatch, countdown timer, and alarm. Analog watches offer a more classic look and are great for those who want a watch for everyday wear. 5. Research and read reviews. Before making a purchase, be sure to research the specific model you're interested in and read reviews from other buyers. This will give you a better idea of the watch's quality and reliability and help you make an informed decision. And that's it. I hope this guide helps you find the perfect Casio watch for your needs and budget. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching.